Hi there, my name is Fiona and I am a student at Berklee College of Music, and I took a gap year. I did a few different activities. So for the first half, I did some work. I worked retail to earn some money and gain new experiences in the fashion industry and all of that stuff. And I'm a musician and singer, and so I also did restaurant gigs, singing, promoting my music. I also started writing my first album. For the second part of my gap year, I was super lucky to work with a program called Spanish Gap Year. They actually have two different parts of the program. They have Spain by Train and Spanish Leaders, and they work with gap students. And Spain by Train, the one I took part in, basically we travel around Spain, learning and immersing in the culture. And I'm going to talk a little bit more about that today. The absolute favorite part of my gap year was traveling. And traveling to Spain with the educational program, Spain by Train, was such an amazing experience because not only did I meet other GAP students, which is kind of rare, there aren't too many GAP students, not only did I get to meet them, I got to meet so many different people from Spain, from different places in the world, gain so many different perspectives, learn the new language. We took history classes, finance classes, marketing classes, history classes, all in Spanish. Also, traveling by yourself, away from your family, is such an exciting and also nerve-wracking experience, but it's incredible, especially for students about to go to college, because going out of the country is such a huge leap and amazing opportunity to start to find yourself, find your independence, and get ready for your new life. Some common misconceptions about taking a gap year are definitely that you're not going to go to school, or that you're not going to do anything with your year, you're just going to sit around, you're just going to live with your parents. So college might not be the route for everyone. Some people might end up going into trade school or doing something completely different with their lives. A gap year is so beneficial, not only for students going into college, but also anybody who just needs a break from super traditional learning. It's a way of experiencing the world and learning more about yourself and learning about the world in a way that isn't a structured sit-down school system. So incredible to be able to learn about people and yourself and your independence, because so many of the skills that I gained, both hard skills and soft skills, I would not be able to gain just going straight into school. You absolutely have to experience it in your real life. Being able to experience that before going to school, I am so grateful. My biggest tip for GAP students is to make a schedule, like really schedule out your day-to-day lives and figure out what your goals are, small goals, big goals. Do you want to travel more? Do you want to work more? Do you want to work out more? Do you want to read more? Write down a list of your goals, and then every single day implement little habits that will get you closer to those goals. If you don't have a super structured plan for getting towards your goals, it is easy to fall off track or to lose sight of why you took the gap year. Obviously, a big part of taking a gap year, at least for me, was also to kind of relax after burnout. Obviously, keeping busy and doing the things I love, but still just taking a break from the super rigorous academics before going back to school to do that. Ultimately, taking a gap year was the best choice I think I've ever made. To anyone even considering it, I say go for it. Each person's gap year experience is going to be unique. You implement your goals and where you want to be and the things that you love, it's going to be amazing. It's going to be a great year, and you're going to go into college and feel so ready. So excited. Good luck.